Across southwest Michigan, these water towers rise above fields, neighborhoods, and school yards. They are steady landmarks that show their true character when viewed from the air. They mark the rhythm of small-town life, each one a familiar shape against the sky. This is part 1 of the series. Enjoy the drone views and share which tower stands out to you in the comments. We start out with the Coloma Water Tower that always hits different from the air. Clean lines, bold color, and that perfect Midwest backdrop. Such an underrated landmark, but it looks incredible from your angle. Covert's water tower sits right on the edge of the schoolyard, standing tall over the fields and playground. From above, it feels like the center point of the whole area. Simple, open, and unmistakably covert. The South Haven's water tower is always a standout, especially with that lighthouse painted across the side. From the air, it pops even more, bright, bold, and instantly recognizable as South Haven's signature landmark. And Watervliet's water tower has that classic small-town look, simple, bright, and standing tall over the neighborhood. From above, it really anchors the whole area and gives you that unmistakable Watervliet feel.